and welcome back to Michelle's Scrapbooking Thoughts. This is Michelle, and I wanted to get on here today because I feel like I need to be honest with you guys and my followers. And those that have been following me for quite some time know that I've really been trying to use up things in my stash before I buy new. And I must tell you that I have failed miserably. It lasted about 3 weeks, maybe just a little bit longer. And then I got sick for 2 weeks, and then of course, I'm just scrolling through my phone and looking at all the new stuff that's come out. And because I wasn't crafting, because I was sick, this is the reason I'm using anyway, I started ordering to make me feel better, knowing that when I got better, that I would have all these new supplies to use. And obviously that's what happened. So I wanted to get on here because I ordered things from Scrapbooking.com. I ordered things from Hobby Lobby. I went to Tuesday morning one day, and it just happened. It just like I couldn't stop. I saw so many good deals. I saw so many things that I wanted, and I thought, well, I'm going to get on here and show you. And that way you guys can help me with the madness and say, it's okay, Michelle, we do it too, because I went crazy. Okay, so this was the first thing that I saw when I started scrolling through. I was on the couch one day. I was tired of binge watching TV, and I started scrolling. And Scrapbooking.com had, this is the Simple Stories Collection Baking Spirit Sprite. Oh my gosh, y'all. It is absolutely adorable. So, of course, I had to get everything in the collection. It is super duper cute. I love everything. So, we've got little bits and pieces. I love the colors, the light blues, the little turquoise, the browns, the reds, the pinks. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. We've got number bits. We've got gingerbread bits and pieces. I'm all about gingerbread at Christmas. We've got the decorative brads, OMG, and we've got some cardboard stickers down here. Absolutely adorable. I have so many things planned because I am a planner, and I do try to plan out my projects a month at a time, but I've gone into 3 months at a time because I'm just get so excited and ideas just really start flowing. And if I don't write them down, then I forget about them. This is more journaling bits that you can put in. We've got page pieces, Baking Spirits Bright. So this is part of the collection. And I got 2 because I have big things planned with this. We've got the matching recipe cards, and I'll go ahead and give you a sneak peek. I'm going to be creating a scrapbooking recipe book. I've got a 6x8. And I also got these. These came in the collection as well. So we've got favorites. We've got appetizers. We've got soups and salads. We've got side dishes, main dishes, breads and baked goods. So we've got a recipe scrapbooking project coming. I'm so excited. So I got the recipe cards. I got some more of the baking chipboard stickers. They're so cute. I love these stockings. I love the little hot cocoa. I love the mixer. I love everything about this. We've got stickers. Love, 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 love. And then we've got this absolutely adorable paper. Oh my goodness. Look at those journaling cards. Absolutely adorable. I'm not going to go through everything. You can, oh, look at that. Oh. So, I did want to show you a little bit about this collection. And if you're interested in any of these, I will put the links below in my blog when I put it up. So, then I got some paper from Hobby Lobby, from the Paper Studio. This is the little lumberjack paper crafting kit. I'm going to do something with this with my dad. He is a huge turkey hunter. So, I plan on making him a little album so he can put all of his he even has a little cabin in the woods that when he goes hunting and everything. So I plan to make something for him. It's got the stickers with it. It's got letters. It's got paper. And it's got the little die cut embellishments that match. Really sweet, cute pack. Loving it. Then I got the Farmhouse Paper Crafting Kit from the Paper Studio. It's really, really pretty. It's really country theme, which is country farmhouse, which is my theme throughout my house, so I'm loving it. And then this one right here is absolutely gorgeous. It definitely has, my favorite color is turquoise and black and hot pink. However, I am very much a blue person. I'm gravitated to shades of blue. And this snowman, winter, mountainy look, it just screamed my name. So I love the stickers and the paper. The letters are in silver. Beautiful. I love, love, love. I don't know if you can see, but these trees right here, I love that scene right there. And you can see all the stickers. Love. So that was from the Paper Studio. Next, I have papers that I got from Papercrafter. This one also came from Hobby Lobby. And I got 2 of these. No, this wasn't Hobby Lobby. This was Tuesday Morning. The rest of these, except for 2, are from Tuesday Morning. So these are Papercrafter. And this is the mint and mistletoe. The mint color this year must be really popular because in the Baking Spirits Bright, that color's in there. And the one that I showed you with the winter scenes, both winter scenes, they both have the mint color. So this one's got some really pretty colors in it. It's got the navy blue, it's got the tan khaki color, it's got that mint green in it. So I got 2 of these because I plan on making an album with this. And you know, when you make your own albums, you go through a lot of papers. So they had 2 left, so I got 2. Next, I ordered this from Cartabella, and you'll see it has a lot of blues in it because I gravitate toward blues, especially during the winter time and at Christmas. So I'm loving these papers. It's absolutely adorable. It reminds me of, that's my dream, is to live in the mountains. If I could live in the mountains in a little log cabin, oh, I just love it. So it's really, really cute. So I'm excited to use it as well. I'm not sure quite what I'm going to do with it yet, but I'm loving the stickers, snow fun, everything like that. It's just absolutely gorgeous. So got big plans. And then the rest of these came from Tuesday Morning. They had a huge sale. So I'm super excited about that. So we've got We Are Memory Keepers. And you know, when I was shopping in Tuesday Morning, I did not realize that We Are Memory Keepers had paper packs. So, and I've bought lots of supplies from them over the years. But anyway, so they have this paper pack. This is Jet Set. So I'm really excited to use this. I'm going to make a travel journal scrapbook out of this, so I'm really excited to use that traveling journal. And then I've got this one is also, this one's called Archived, but you know, it could definitely work with a travel journal as well. It's got a lot of arrows and stars and dates on it. So this could easily be turned into a travel journal as well. Then we've got the Tim Holtz Ideology. Oh my word, that is, but it's got beautiful papers. I love vintage. Love. Absolutely gorgeous papers. I cannot wait to play around with this. Then they had Graphic 45. And I love Graphic 45 paper. And of course it has a lot of blues and browns. So I was definitely gravitated towards it. And here's the second one. It's another Graphic 45 paper. Beautiful. This one's a little bit more springy. I don't think I'll be using this until the spring, summer. But I went ahead and got it just because it had such a good deal on it. And then here we go again. Mint green. This is from Papercrafter. It's got 48 papers. It's got tons of the mint green. And it's an absolutely gorgeous paper pack. It really, truly is. It's absolutely gorgeous. Now, this is not double-sided paper, and most people, you know, want double-sided, but occasionally I will buy the single-sided, especially if I'm making albums, and that way that second side isn't wasted. So, typically your single-sided papers are your best for creating scrapbooking albums just because of that factor. So, I'm loving the mint green. This page right here is absolutely beautiful. And even the branding strip, you know, most of the time I cut them off, but this is a branding strip that I would use because it's gorgeous and it matches beautifully. So, like I said, the branding strips you could even use. Like, gorgeous paper, gorgeous. I mean, that branding strip is gorgeous. This page is absolutely gorgeous. We've got like a ruler type situation here. Beautiful branding strip to use. So, I'm really excited to use this one as well. Look at that. That is gorgeous. And I don't know if you can tell by on camera if it's really picking it up or not, but it's almost like it almost feels textured, like wallpaper. It reminds me of wallpaper. It's beautiful. So, this is like a weave. So, I'm really excited to use these new paper packs. I've got a lot of projects coming, but I did want to get on here and tell you guys that I did fail miserably. So, if there's anything that you guys saw that, you know, you would like to see something made, leave it in the comments below. And I'll definitely work on it for you. Get that out of the way. And I'll see you back here tomorrow. Thanks, guys.